What are you saying, Garrick?
Hey, give me a pound. Yeah! Okay. Want some more peanuts? Want more peanuts? Where do you want me from?
Garrick, who just won?
Who just won the game?
Who just...
Hokies won!
When Garrick just woke up from his nap, he took the big blue blanket from the chair and pulled it into his crib, so he had 2 blankets. Here's Miss Gwen. Today is October 29th.